Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Ryan. Today I'm going to tell you an inspiring story about a boy who never gave up, even when life became very difficult. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. There was a small village surrounded by green fields and quiet rivers. In that village, a poor boy named Arif lived with his mother. Arif's father had died when he was very young. His mother worked hard every day to earn enough money for food and education. Although life was difficult, Arif had a big dream. He wanted to become a successful English teacher one day. Every morning, Arif walked 5 kilometers to school. Sometimes he went to school without breakfast. Sometimes his shoes were broken, but he never complained. One day, his teacher asked the students, "What do you want to become in the future?" Some students wanted to become doctors, some wanted to become police officers. When it was Arif's turn, he stood up slowly and said, "I want to become an English teacher and to help poor students to learn English for free." The whole classroom became silent. Then the teacher smiled proudly and said, "Never stop believing in your dream, Arif." Years passed. Life became even harder for Arif and his mother. His mother became sick and couldn't work properly. To support the family, Arif started working in a tea shop after school. He cleaned tables, served tea, and washed cups until late at night. Even after working so hard, he continued studying every night. He used old books that people throw away. He practiced English speaking in front of a broken mirror. Many people laughed at him. They said, "You are poor. Dreams are not for people like you." But Arif never listened to negative words. He believed that hard work could change his future. One rainy evening, while returning home from work, Arif found a white English grammar book beside the road. He picked it up carefully and took it home. That old book changed his life. He studied from it single day. Slowly, his English became better and better. A few years later, I passed his exams with excellent results. He received a scholarship to study at a university in the city. His mother cried with happiness. She said, "Your father will be proud of you today." University life was not easy either. Arif worked part-time during the day and studied at night. Sometimes he slept only 3 hours. However, he would never give up. He remembered his dream every single day. Finally, after years of struggle, Arif became an English teacher. But he did something special. Every weekend, he returned to his village and taught poor children English for free. The same people who once laughed at him now respected him deeply. One day, a little boy asked Arif, "Sir, how did you become successful?" Arif smiled softly and replied, "I never stopped trying, even when life was difficult." So remember, your situation does not decide your future. Your hard work, patience, and a belief in yourself can change your life completely. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to English with Raihan for more English storytelling podcasts. See you in the next episode. Take care.